The C program performs a linear search to find whether a particular employee ID exists in a list of employee numbers. First, the program declares array M and variables key and found. The user is asked to enter a key value which represents the employee ID they want to search for. Next, another loop takes input for the list of all employee IDs. After the data is collected, the program uses a for loop to compare each element of the array with the key. If a match is found, the program sets found to 1 and breaks out of the loop immediately to stop further checking. Finally, based on the value of found, the program prints either employee found or employee not found. The program demonstrates the concept of searching in arrays, user input handling, conditional statements, and efficient loop termination using break. It's a basic but essential example of how search operations are performed.